In a world where technology permeates every aspect of our lives, there's a new force rising. It's called Web3. It's a platform where stories interweave, where technologies coalesce, and where a community is born. A place of creation, of meeting needs and exceeding expectations. Imagine a realm where learning and creation aren't just encouraged, but form the very fabric of existence. This is the world of Web3. It's a realm where success is not a product of idle dreams, but the fruit of intelligence and active participation. Regret is a luxury none can afford in this fast-paced landscape. Instead, one must reach out, connect, learn from those who've tread the path before. Seeking advice isn't a sign of weakness, but a beacon of wisdom. In the world of Web3, every move counts, every update matters. Yet, Web3 isn't confined to a single space or a specific community. It reaches out, bridging gaps and connecting every corner of the world. A new life is being woven, one that offers the freedom to move forward, to expand into a bigger world, together as one. However, don't mistake this for an easy ride. Success in this realm is not handed over, it's earned. It demands effort, it requires intelligence. But the rewards, they're worth every bit of the struggle. For Web3 isn't just a choice, it's a promising opportunity. An opportunity to create a new life, a new tomorrow. So what's the key message of this video? It's simple. Web3 is more than a technology, it's a movement. A movement towards a smarter, more connected and successful future. A future where success is born out of intelligence and active participation, not idle dreams. A future that is ours to create together at @1_Web3. So seize the day, embrace the opportunities, and let's make this Web3 world our own. Because success comes to those who are awake, to those who are ready to learn and create. After all, in the world of Web3, the future is just a click away.